Good afternoon, everyone, or actually it's morning, but when you get up at 2 o'clock in the morning, it feels like afternoon. But we're down here on Highway 87, and I want to send out I want to thank Latitude 29 Surf Shop for sponsoring this Bolivar live feed. I wanted to show you what the tide was doing. TxDot and Galveston County are both in the process of cleaning the highway, and now we may get some more wash up on it, but I can tell you right here it was logs and all kinds of stuff, and so I wanted to show you what it looked like now. It's not perfect, and this is going to be an all afternoon job because the county's out here, TxDot's out here, and TxDot is also bringing some more equipment out to help with this. And so if you're going through here, make sure you heed warning and give them the right of way, because this is a job that TxDot and Galveston County is doing. They're doing everything they can. The best thing to do, if you don't have to be down here or you don't have to leave, is wait. Now, on top of that, we got a call about an hour ago and we posted it. The Bolivar Ferry shut down due to high tides, elevated tides. Don't know how long they're going to suspend service. I had heard through the grapevine it may be 12 or 1. They might be able to open it back up, but I don't know. And when I get notification that they are opening service back up, I will post it on our Facebook page. You can check our Instagram account. I'll try and put it up there, but it's easy for me just to make one post and on there. But they've cleaned this a lot. We still have a little bit of wash coming in, and so there may be times where there is some water on here, but I can tell you this is going to probably be most of the day process, because they have to take it in layers and take their time because they don't want to hurt the asphalt that's under all this. And so please heed warning to them as they work through this and as they clean. I talked to William. They've got equipment out here. TxDot has equipment out here. And so you can see we're having to go from one side of the road to the other, but they're doing everything they can to keep this highway clean. And so please heed warning to them. Give them the right of way. Take your time. And like I said, if you don't have to be here or come down this way today, you might want to wait until this afternoon, later on this afternoon, or even tomorrow morning. I know if you're on vacation and that house is available now, I don't blame you. I'd want to be down here too, even if I was sitting on the deck just enjoying the sounds of the surf and that cool temperatures, because it is cool, 82 degrees down here and overcast. So anyway, just wanted to give you let you know the highway is being cleaned. At this time, it's gonna be, I'm spilling my coffee, it's gonna be a lengthy process because of the amount of debris that was on the road. So please give them warning. Thank you to TxDot. Thank you to Galveston County for keeping us informed and the quick response getting down here, because it's not an easy chore getting equipment down here and getting this road cleaned. So, and actually the part where they built the new walls, that's not that bad. It's just that section, probably 3 miles between the houses and where the walls start. So anyway, just wanted to let you know what was going on here on Bolivar on the Highway 87. TxDot did notify me, like I said, an hour or so ago, that the Bolivar Ferry service was going to be suspended. And so we'll just have to wait and see when that's going to happen. I'm going to try and get to the other side of the road here and see if this is any smoother, because that there's just shaking my computer and everything to death. So anyway, we're gonna head on out. We'll keep you posted with any information we have as we get it, and on our Facebook page we'll also try and go live so it comes out on all our channels, and we'll just go from there. Hopefully the next high tide, I believe, is tonight or tomorrow morning at 6:17, and so we'll have to keep you posted on what's happening there. Now we're behind the wall and things are looking a whole lot better. And until next time, remember, you can see what the beach looks like, what the bay looks like. Go to our live webcams at Bolivar Peninsula TxDot.com. You can see our event cam shows Stingery Marina. Our bay cam shows the bay. We've got our beach cams, 11 live webcams, so you can check out everything. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.